Struggling to stick to your weight loss plan? You're not alone. Let's explore how following a structured eating plan can help you get back on track. First, let's talk about why having a plan is essential. Without a clear plan, you risk falling into chaos, leading to unpredictable results. A well-defined plan provides clarity, accountability, and discipline. It helps you stay focused on your goals and makes it easier to track your progress. Flexible plans often fail because they allow too much room for error. It's easy to deviate from a loosely defined plan, which can lead to overeating. Instead, opt for a structured plan like the Ideal Protein Protocol. This plan focuses on whole proteins and vegetables, promoting both weight loss and metabolic health. The structure of this plan minimizes decision fatigue, making it easier to stick to. We provide you with a plan detailing exactly what you need to eat for effective weight loss. You'll combine your own whole food with easy-to-prepare, partial meal replacements. Just follow the plan and see the results. Support is another critical factor in sticking to your plan. Having a weight loss coach can significantly increase your chances of success. They provide motivation, guidance, and a sense of responsibility. Knowing someone else is invested in your success can be a powerful motivator. A coach can help you set realistic goals and break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable milestones. A structured plan helps you develop healthy habits that last a lifetime. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle change, not just a temporary diet. It's not just about losing weight, it's about maintaining it. Start your plan, seek support, and stay disciplined. Your future self will thank you.